Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Hello, this is Nia, your voice for today's headlines. It's Wednesday, April 29. Here is what we are covering. Claude, an AI tool developed by Anthropic Labs, is being integrated into various creative software platforms to enhance the capabilities of creative professionals. By partnering with companies such as Blender, Autodesk, Adobe, Ableton, and Splice, Claude aims to streamline workflows and expand the creative potential of users. The introduction of connectors allows Claude to interact directly with these platforms, facilitating tasks like ideation, skill expansion, and project scaling. For instance, Claude can assist with repetitive tasks, provide on-demand tutoring for complex software, and write scripts or plugins to extend existing tools. Specific integrations include Adobe's Creative Cloud, where Claude helps bring creative projects to life, and Autodesk Fusion, which allows for 3D model creation through conversational input. Blender users can utilize Claude to analyze scenes and create custom scripts, while Splice integration enables music producers to search for samples. Additionally, Claude supports educational programs at institutions like Rhode Island School of Design and Ringling College of Art and Design, providing students and faculty with access to these tools. This initiative aims to gather feedback from creative practitioners to further refine Claude's offerings. By joining the Blender Development Fund, Anthropic supports the ongoing development of Blender's Python API, ensuring that Claude remains accessible and interoperable with other large language models. Next, young women on TikTok are gaining attention for creating unique cyberdecks, homemade computers crafted inside purses, as a form of anti-AI expression. And Nikki Tan, a 22-year-old London-based model, has become a notable figure in this trend with her mermaid-themed cyberdeck, which she showcased in a viral TikTok video. Her creation, housed in a clamshell purse with gold accents and pearls, features a Raspberry Pi computer, a small keyboard, and a screen. Tan's cyberdeck, which she describes as hyper-femme, contrasts with the traditionally utilitarian designs of cyberdecks, which have been associated with hacking and coding. This movement reflects a desire to reject the minimalist, mass-produced devices and the homogenizing effects of generative AI. Tan emphasizes personal expression and creativity, encouraging others to explore tech literacy through DIY projects. Her videos have inspired others, like Ling Lu and Brianna, to create their own whimsical gadgets. These cyberdecks are not intended to replace smartphones or laptops, but serve as a creative outlet and a statement against the AI-driven culture. Tan's work highlights a growing interest in personalized technology and a pushback against the disconnect from the production processes of everyday devices. The trend underscores a broader cultural shift towards embracing individuality in tech design. Meanwhile, Google has granted the U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) access to its artificial intelligence technology for classified networks, allowing all lawful uses. This development follows Anthropic's refusal to provide the DoD with unrestricted AI access, citing concerns over domestic mass surveillance and autonomous weapons. Anthropic's stance led the Pentagon to label the company a supply chain risk, a designation typically reserved for foreign threats. As a result, Anthropic and the DoD are engaged in a legal battle, with a court recently granting Anthropic an injunction against the designation. In the wake of Anthropic's refusal, other AI companies, including OpenAI and xAI, have secured deals with the DoD. Google's agreement reportedly includes language suggesting its AI should not be used for domestic surveillance or autonomous weapons, similar to OpenAI's contract, though the enforceability of these provisions remains uncertain. Despite internal opposition, with 950 Google employees signing a letter urging the company to adopt Anthropic's approach, Google proceeded with the deal. The company has not commented on the matter. This situation highlights the ongoing tension between tech companies and government agencies over the ethical use of AI in military applications. On a different note, OpenAI has announced the integration of its models, including codecs and managed agents, into Amazon Web Services (AWS) as of April 28, 2026. This collaboration aims to enhance the accessibility and scalability of OpenAI's advanced artificial intelligence tools for developers and businesses using AWS. Codecs, known for its ability to interpret and generate code, will be available to streamline software development processes. Managed agents, which facilitate the deployment and management of AI models, will also be accessible, providing users with robust tools for implementing AI solutions. This integration is expected to simplify the process of incorporating AI capabilities into various applications, allowing for more efficient and innovative solutions across industries. By leveraging AWS's extensive cloud infrastructure, OpenAI's models can reach a broader audience, offering enhanced computational power and storage options. This partnership underscores the growing trend of integrating AI technologies into cloud platforms to meet the increasing demand for intelligent automation and data-driven insights. With that said, the New York Times reports that recent college graduates are adjusting their career expectations as they enter a challenging job market. Many are finding it necessary to compromise on their initial career aspirations due to economic uncertainties and a competitive employment landscape. Graduates are increasingly accepting positions outside their fields of study or taking roles that offer lower salaries than anticipated. This shift is partly driven by the need to gain work experience and establish a foothold in the job market, even if it means starting in less than ideal positions. The current economic climate, marked by fluctuating job availability and evolving industry demands, has prompted graduates to prioritize job security and stability over ideal job matches. Additionally, the rise of remote work and gig economy opportunities has influenced how graduates approach their job searches, with some opting for freelance or contract work as a temporary solution. Despite these challenges, many graduates remain optimistic about their long-term career prospects, viewing their initial job experiences as stepping stones to future opportunities. Career services at universities are adapting to these changes by offering more resources and guidance to help graduates navigate the complex job market. This includes workshops on resume building, interview skills, and networking strategies. As graduates continue to adapt, they are learning to balance their ambitions with the realities of the current economic environment, demonstrating resilience and flexibility in their career pursuits. Shifting gears, OpenAI is rumored to be developing a smartphone, potentially in collaboration with MediaTek, Qualcomm, and Luxshare, with mass production speculated for 2028. This initiative suggests a shift towards integrating AI agents directly into smartphones, leveraging their existing capabilities like cameras, microphones, and apps to enhance user interaction. The concept moves away from traditional app-first models to an intent-first approach, where the phone interprets user needs and executes tasks across various services. This development could position OpenAI to control the AI agent layer more effectively, bypassing limitations of existing platforms. While the project remains unconfirmed, it highlights the strategic importance of smartphones as a primary interface for AI, amidst competition from tech giants like Apple and Google. In other news, Amazon has introduced an AI-powered feature that provides real-time conversational audio responses to product inquiries. Named Join the Chat, this tool is designed to streamline the shopping experience by delivering key product details without the need for extensive reading. The AI synthesizes information from product features and customer feedback, offering tailored responses akin to interacting with a knowledgeable store employee. This feature is part of Amazon's broader Hear the Highlights initiative, which offers audio summaries on select product pages in the Amazon Shopping app. Users can engage with the feature by tapping the Hear the Highlights button and can ask specific questions via text or voice. This development complements Amazon's suite of AI-driven shopping tools, enhancing user interaction and product exploration. Finally, Google withdrew from a $100 million Pentagon competition to develop autonomous drone swarm technology after advancing to the next stage. The decision followed an internal ethics review, with Google citing insufficient resources as the reason. The withdrawal disappointed several employees involved in the project. Hundreds of Google AI researchers opposed using the company's technology for military purposes. The Pentagon Initiative, led by the Defense Autonomous Warfare Group and the Defense Innovation Unit, aims to convert voice commands into digital instructions for drone swarms. Companies like OpenAI and Palantir remain in the competition. Google revised its contract with the Pentagon, allowing access to AI models without developing custom models, emphasizing AI should not be used for autonomous weapons without human oversight.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.